Have you heard about Galxe, the new crypto coin that's making waves in the digital currency market? If you haven't, let's dive into what it is and why it's capturing attention. Galxe is a fresh addition to the diverse world of cryptocurrencies, a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange. Just like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others you might have heard of, Galxe is a digital token, but with its own unique twist. It was created by a team of dedicated and innovative tech enthusiasts who saw the need for a more effective and efficient cryptocurrency. They believed in the potential of blockchain technology and wanted to harness its power in a new and exciting way. Galxe is their brainchild, their contribution to the evolving world of digital finance. Now you might be wondering, why Galxe? What does it offer that other cryptocurrencies don't? So why Galxe? What sets it apart in the crowded world of digital currencies? Well, for starters, Galxe is built on an advanced blockchain technology that ensures fast and secure transactions. This means you can send or receive Galxe coins in a matter of seconds, with the assurance that your transactions are safe and private. But that's not all. Galxe also offers a unique utility. It's not just a currency, it's a platform. Developers can build applications on the Galxe network, creating a whole ecosystem of services that use Galxe as their currency. And let's not forget about security. Galxe employs cutting-edge encryption techniques to protect your coins from hackers and fraudsters. It's like having a high-tech vault in your pocket. So you see, Galxe isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's a fast, secure, and versatile digital asset that's poised to make a big splash in the crypto world. But how does this all translate to potential growth and value for investors? When it comes to investing, potential growth and return on investment are key, so what does the future hold for Galxe? Now let's venture into the realm of price prediction and potential. Galxe, like any other cryptocurrency, is influenced by various factors: market trends, investor interest, and its own unique features. Market trends are a reflection of the global economy and the general sentiment towards cryptocurrencies. Investor interest, on the other hand, can be a game changer. A surge in interest can cause a sharp rise in price, while a drop can lead to a slump. Galxe's unique features, such as its robust security and scalability, also play a vital role in its potential value. They make it attractive to investors looking for a dependable and future-proof investment. But remember, while Galxe shows promising potential for growth, there's also a certain level of risk involved in any investment. Still, as with any investment, it's important to do your own research and make informed decisions. So, let's recap what we've learned about Galxe. We've delved into the unique aspects of this cryptocurrency, from its technology to its usability. We've highlighted how Galxe stands out in the crowded crypto space, with its unique features designed to enhance user experience and security. We also discussed the potential growth of Galxe. While it's impossible to predict with absolute certainty, there are indicators that suggest this cryptocurrency has room to spread its wings. Remember though, the market is volatile, and price predictions should be taken with a grain of salt. Investing in any cryptocurrency, including Galxe, requires doing your own research. It's crucial to understand what you're investing in, how it works, and the risks involved. Whether you choose to invest in Galxe or not, understanding the ins and outs of new cryptocurrencies like this one is a great way to stay informed in the ever-evolving world of digital currencies. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of cryptocurrency investing.